And she's going to make this difficult. I've been paying child support for 5 years, and the kids just don't go over there at all.
I spend as much time as I can with my children. It's not, I know the overnight is, maybe that's what the court views it as. He bought her a dog.
This hearing goes off track really fast. The dad wants to change custody just so he can stop paying child support. And now he even wants the mom to pay him instead. But the mom barely sees the kids a few times a year and still thinks she should have a say in overnight visits. IT feels less like a family matter and more like a chess game where child support is the prize. It's crazy how many parents treat custody like a money issue instead of what's best for their kid. Do you think judges can tell when someone's just trying to play the system? Let's check it out.
And for the last 5 years, the kids haven't been going to their moms at all. I've been paying child support the entire time. Should have probably done this a long time ago, but yeah, no, it's been, maybe 5-6 times a year for the last 4 or 5 years. They've been to their mom's house. And so I just want what's already going on: full parenting time, no child support, full custody. It is what has happened.
All right. How many children under 18 do you have right now?
Just one now. My son is just turned 18.
Is your son still in high school or not?
No.
Okay. All right. So obviously we won't do anything related to him. And you have another child that is how old?
16.
And it's your indication that you have the full custody at this time?
Yes, I have had for years.
And what type of parenting time is she spending with mom?
I don't know, 4 or 5 times, maybe, I don't know, up to 10 times a year, possibly 10 nights a year, but that would be on the very high end.
All right. Is that a set schedule, or how does that come about when she goes to mom's house?
Just when it's absolutely necessary. There are times when I have to be at work very early in the morning, and we'll ask Nicole to drive them to school, and she will agree but demand that they stay the night if for her to do so they begrudgingly stay the night. There have been a couple times where she just wanted to stay with her mom, but it's just been a couple times.
Are you seeking to change so obviously you're looking for the primary physical custody. What about legal custody? Are you asking if that be changed to legal custody or continue jointly?
I was asking for everything to be changed only because I was having difficulty getting advice. My main goal is to just not pay child support anymore, because all the money is going to my ex-wife and none of it's going to the kids. Plus I'm paying to support the children every day, all day, so I'm paying.
Let's get back to, are you asking to change the legal custody or keep the legal custody joint?
I guess change it only because of my ignorance, and I don't know exactly how that affects anything. I let them see their mom whenever they want to. I've always done that. But
legal custody has no impact on what your child support is. Legal custody just refers that the parties should work together to make major decisions, things like school or medical issues.
Yeah, no, that's legal custody. It's fine if I'm not asking the court to take legal custody away from her. No.
All right. Thank you. All right, Ms. Jones, what are your response? Essentially, he's seeking that the physical custody be changed to indicate that he has the primary physical custody, and that you essentially have parenting time as agreed. And he indicates it's about 10 overnights a year. What are your thoughts on that?
I spend as much time as I can with my children. It's not, I know the overnight is, maybe that's what the court views it as. He bought her a dog, and she's been required to be there to take care of the dog. So that's a lot of the time where I live. She asked me to get a dog, and I said no, because we're not home enough. Plus, where I do.
I'm gonna redirect you to kind of what I was asking you. So he's asking that it be changed to indicate that parenting time is as agreed. Are you in agreement with that or not?
Parents only see their kids 4 or 5 times a year. That's not parenting. That's just showing up for a guest appearance. Right away, we can see what kind of mom this is. Only around when it's convenient, but never misses a payment day. And the worst part, The dad been paying her child support even though he's the one actually raising the kids. You can't help but feel bad for him. He's getting ripped off by a system that's supposed to protect parents who actually do the work. She's treating that money like a paycheck instead of using it for her kids. Most people don't realize that once a child support order is made, it doesn't stop automatically. You have to go back to court to change it, and most people don't. So this dad has probably been overpaying for months, while she only shows up on holidays pretending to care. Honestly, she should have to pay back every dollar he gave her, since he's clearly been the main caregiver. Child support is meant for the kids' needs, not as a reward for just being a parent on paper. Her behavior shows exactly why judges care more about consistency than empty promises. Then, during the hearing, the mom tries to talk about getting specific visitation times. But when the judge asks if she agrees to let the dad have primary custody, since he's the one taking care of the kids, she says no to so. The judge schedules another court hearing for April 17th and says their daughter needs to attend too, so she can share her opinion. The dad brings up how he's been paying child support for 5 years, even though the kids don't stay with the mom at all. The judge explains that support can only be changed starting from the date he filed a motion, not before this. Even though he's been overpaying for a long time, the court can only adjust payments from that filing date. The judge had all the facts. There was no confusion. The mom didn't even deny that she only sees the kids maybe 10 times a year, yet she still wanted custody. It should have been an easy decision, but this is family court, where logic often takes a break. Honestly, the system feels broken, especially for fathers. Most of the time, they're treated like they're lucky just to get weekends, while still being expected to pay nonstop. And the messed up part is that child support keeps building up until someone officially files to change it. If the dad had done this earlier, he could have saved a lot of money. Hopefully, he gets a good lawyer who actually cares about his case, not just a paycheck. Do you guys think family courts will ever treat fathers as equals instead of just walking wallets? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out.